Welcome to Psycho Vibe, the channel where we dive deep into the fascinating world of human psychology, behavior, and the secrets of the mind. Whether you want to unlock your true potential, understand what makes people tick, or simply learn how to navigate life's challenges with confidence, you're in the right place in today. Video, let's understand 10 morning habits that are secretly sabotaging your day. Do you ever feel like your day is off track before it even begins? Like no matter what you do, you're stuck in a cycle of exhaustion, stress, and chaos. Well, you might be unknowingly sabotaging yourself before you even leave your bed. Today, I'm exposing 10 morning habits that are ruining your productivity, draining your energy, and secretly holding you back. Stick with me because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to avoid to take control of your mornings and your life. Hitting snooze. Let's start with the infamous snooze button. It feels so good, right? But every time you hit snooze, your brain starts a new sleep cycle, one it won't have time to finish. The result? Grogginess, brain fog, and a sluggish start to your day. That extra 5 minutes isn't helping. It's stealing your clarity and energy. Checking your phone first thing. Social media, emails, breaking news. Your phone is a chaos magnet. Studies show that checking your phone first thing triggers stress and comparison before you've even brushed your teeth. Why hand over your peace of mind to an algorithm before your day even begins? Skipping hydration. After 6-8 hours of sleep, your body is dehydrated. Yet most of us reach for coffee before water. Big mistake. Dehydration slows down your metabolism, messes with your mood, and leaves you feeling drained. Drink water first. Your brain and body will thank you. Starting without a plan. Jumping into your day without a plan is like driving without a map. You'll end up everywhere but where you want to be. Take 5 minutes to jot down 3 priorities. That small act can completely change the course of your day. Eating a sugary breakfast. Sure, sugary breakfasts give you a quick energy boost, but that high comes with a crash. And when your energy plummets, so does your focus and productivity. Swap that donut for protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Your future self will thank you. Skipping morning movement. Skipping morning movement is like starting your car without warming up the engine. You'll run, but not efficiently. Even 10 minutes of stretching or a brisk walk can supercharge your mood and focus for the entire day. Watching negative news. Bad news sells, but it's a terrible way to start your day. Studies show that consuming negative news first thing increases anxiety and pessimism. Try replacing it with uplifting podcasts, music, or silence. Protect your peace. Overloading your to-do list. Let's face it, your 25-item to-do list isn't ambitious. It's self-sabotage. Starting your day with an impossible workload sets you up for failure and guilt. Focus on 3 key tasks instead. Quality over quantity. Ignoring mindfulness. When you start your day in a rush, you miss out on grounding yourself. Take 5 deep breaths. Meditate for 2 minutes. Even a short pause can shift your entire mindset. Your morning doesn't have to feel like a race. Underestimating gratitude. Gratitude isn't just feel-good fluff. It rewires your brain for positivity and resilience. Starting your day by acknowledging what you're thankful for is a game changer. Don't let your morning slip by without embracing this simple, powerful habit. Your mornings set the tone for your entire day. By letting go of these sabotaging habits and making mindful choices, you're not just changing your mornings, you're transforming your life. So, which habit are you cutting out tomorrow? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Here's to mornings that empower, not sabotage. Thank you so much for watching today's video on Psycho Vibe. I hope you found it insightful, inspiring, and maybe even a little eye-opening. If you enjoyed this journey into the mind, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps support the channel. And hey, why not share it with someone who'd love these vibes too? Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on more fascinating insights into psychology, human nature, and personal growth. Thanks again for being part of the Psycho Vibe community. Stay curious, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next one.